The first shot that I've got lined up is with my 70-200, my trusty bazooka. It's of these colony of birches, you can call them, with the fog. Why do I use the 70-200? Because I like the compression. If there wasn't a lot of fog, I would opt for the 24-105. Now with the fog, you can like delete the background a little bit more. So it's nice to have the compression of the foreground a little bit and have the trees in focus. Because of the fog, I can't really let the camera choose where to focus. So I have to do it a little bit myself with the manual focus. So this is my first shot. I'm back at the same place as I was in the last video. Why? I'm giving a workshop here in the last of August. In the news they were saying like header season is early this year. And I can tell you it is. The purple is already coming through, which makes it important to be prepared. And that's also a little bit the gist of this video, being prepared. I just came back from a holiday to Spain and France, and I took like 7 pictures at one place, and that was it. And it was all because I was not prepared as I usually am when I go on holidays. So let's see what we can find today, so I can instruct my participants of the workshop the best I can. The second shot, you have this leaning birch tree here, this one. And I like how it is like counterbalanced by the trees over here. A few bigger birches. It's a shot I took already a few times before, but now I've included the tree that's here as well, because it gives a nice counterbalance to the other 2 trees. It makes the shot a little bit wider. I focus on the middle tree here at f13, and normally it should give me the whole scene in focus. So yeah, let's take the shot. Do you always have to know area perfectly? Well, no, because otherwise we never would explore new areas. But on the other hand, a little preparation gives you a lot more self-confidence to get to an area. That's the problem I had in Spain. I looked for a few areas that I thought were cool, but I didn't know how to get there. I didn't know which hiking paths I had to take, the state of the paths, because a lot of the paths were like on the cliff sides and were not very well maintained. So I gave up a lot of opportunities to shoot this holiday because I was ill prepared. When I went to America a few years ago, it was an all other case. I spent months looking for areas, looking the information about the areas, and made that I had some really nice shots that I was really happy with. So yeah, being prepared isn't bad after all. Let's find a few other compositions and then we will call it a day, because the mosquitoes have woken up and I'm wearing a short t-shirt, so let's go. So the next shot I found was you have these birches and a few birches in the background. This will be a better shot when there will be more heather blooming, because it will give that little bit more separation. I might have to focus tag it, I don't know for sure, but I will take 2 shots, one of the close by trees, one of the further away trees, to get everything in focus. Here's the shot. So this will be the first workshop that I will be giving, and it gives me a little bit anxiety. So this will be the first workshop I will be giving, and gives me a little bit of anxiety thinking about it, but in the positive way. Like I'm used to teaching as my day job. I'm a teacher, elementary school. But it's different than here. People are seeing value in the things that I offer, and it gives it a little bit more stress than being in front of a class, because I'm used to that. I think it's really important, like if people see value in stuff that you sell, doesn't matter if it's like a workshop or a print or even an NFT, if that's still the thing, is that you deliver on the things you promise, and also know what are the things that the customer wants, and are you able to fulfill the things they want, because otherwise it won't be fun for you, it won't be fun for your customer. So that's another point why I really want to be prepared for this workshop. So one more shot of the that I see right in front of me. Let's take it, and then I will end the video. This is also a shot that I've taken a few times before, but still it's one of my favorites here. You have these birches on the right, birches on the left, and they're perfectly counterbalancing each other. So I'll take this shot and then I will show it to you.